Doc Martinez here, and today we will continue with our Kiss series. Today we will be making a Jack Daniel's single barrel old fashioned. We will keep this short and simple. As a teenager, Jasper Jack Daniels was taken in by a local preacher and moonshine distiller named Dan Call. The Reverend Call and his distiller, Nearish Green, an enslaved African American man, taught Jack Daniels how to make whiskey. In 1875, on receiving an inheritance from his father's estate, Jack Daniels founded a legally registered distilling business with Call. Call later made the decision to sell his business to Jack. And so Nearish Green, now a free man, was hired by Jack and became the very first master distiller of the Jack Daniels Distillery. And thus, Jack Daniels introduces to the world to the old number 7, his signature charcoal-mellowed Tennessee whiskey. Cocktail quiz time! Why does Jack Daniels have a number 7 on it? Stay tuned to find out. Fun fact, more than 150 years have passed since Nearish and Jack first began making whiskey together, and to this day there has always been a member of a Green family working at the Jack Daniel Distillery. After taking over the distillery in 1884, Jack Daniels purchased the hollow and the land where the distillery is now located. Jack Daniels had a huge surge in popularity after the whiskey received the gold medal for the finest whiskey at the 1904 St. Louis World Fair. Jack Daniels always insisted on the critical step of charcoal mellowing, and it has been in continuous use by the Jack Daniels Distillery ever since. This extra step imparts a distinctive smoothness, which folks expect from Jack Daniels, and is part of what makes it a Tennessee whiskey and not a bourbon. So, let's make a Jack Daniels single barrel old fashioned. Jack Daniel's single barrel old fashioned ingredients: 2 ounces Jack Daniel's single barrel select, half an ounce simple syrup, 2 dashes Jack Daniel's bitters, orange peel. Making a Jack Daniel's single barrel old fashioned. In the mixing glass with ice, combine the 2 ounces of Jack Daniel's and add the simple syrup. Next, add 2 dashes of Jack Daniel's bitters. Then you're going to stir for 20 to 30 seconds. Strain into an old fashioned glass with a large ice. Then garnish with an orange peel. Cocktail quiz time! Why does Jack Daniels have a number 7 on it? The 7 brand name is said to be the assigned number for the Jack Daniels Distillery for its tax assessment. Alright, so here we are back with the drink, and today we did make a single barrel Jack Daniels old fashioned. Now, you might notice my background looks different, my clothes are different. Simple explanation for that. I started filming this last night when I realized that this is the first time in a long time that my wife and I had no kids home. So we decided to do a date night. So I had a choice: continue filming this, date night with my wife. Of course, date night with my wife always wins. So we had a date night last night. Here it is the next day. I at least waited till 12 o'clock, so it's not in the morning that I'm drinking this, but here we go. Let's try the single barrel Jack Daniel's old fashioned. Wow. I always like to get that second taste in before I let it kind of coat my tongue and get a good flavor for it. Now, I like Jack Daniels. I don't drink it very often, but I don't think I've ever had the single barrel, but it's very good. This one is a little bit sweet. I think I could cut back a little bit on the simple syrup and actually so I could taste the Jack a little bit more. But overall, if you like a sweeter drink, you like it just a basic old fashioned, this is a good one to try. So definitely give this a try. Well, thanks again for coming along another journey down the old-fashioned rabbit hole. If you like these videos, please subscribe and click on the next link. See you at the next video. Cheers.